Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about creating beautiful functional spaces, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that has never been more relevant: how to create your dream home office. Whether you work from home full-time or just need a space for occasional tasks, having a well-designed office can make all the difference. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our best interior design tips. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the foundation: location. Choosing the right spot for your home office is key. If you're lucky enough to have a dedicated room, that's ideal. But don't worry if space is tight. A cleverly designed nook in your living room or even a corner of your bedroom can work wonders. Think about lighting and noise. Natural light is a game changer for productivity. So positioning your desk near a window can be a huge win. But of course, consider privacy too. If you're often on calls, you might want to avoid high-traffic areas of your home. Next up, let's talk furniture. Your desk is the centerpiece of your office. Choose one that fits your space and needs. If you work with multiple monitors or need room for sketches and layouts, a larger desk is worth considering. For smaller spaces, look for a compact desk with built-in storage. Speaking of storage, this is where design meets functionality. Floating shelves, file cabinets, or even stylish storage baskets can keep clutter at bay while enhancing your space's aesthetic. Remember, clutter isn't just a visual distraction, it can actually impact your productivity. Now the chair. Don't underestimate the importance of a good chair. Your home office chair should be ergonomic and supportive, especially if you're spending hours at your desk. Look for adjustable features like height and lumbar support, and don't be afraid to invest in quality here. You'll thank yourself later. Let's move on to color and mood. Did you know that colors can directly influence how you feel and work? Cool tones like blues and greens can create a calming environment, while warmer hues like yellows and oranges can spark creativity. For a balanced look, you might opt for a neutral base with pops of your favorite colors in accents like cushions, artwork, or a stylish rug. And don't forget texture. A woven throw, a sleek desk lamp, or even a natural wood finish can add depth and personality to your space. Lighting is another critical element. Ideally, you want a mix of natural, ambient, and task lighting. A desk lamp with adjustable brightness can be your best friend, especially for those late-night work sessions. Wall-mounted lights or pendant lights can save desk space while adding a touch of elegance. And here's a pro tip: consider the color temperature of your bulbs. Warmer light creates a cozy atmosphere, while cooler light is better for focus and clarity. Office. Start with natural light. Position your desk near a window to make the most of daylight, which not only reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. However, ensure you're not facing the window directly to avoid screen glare. Layering your lighting is key. Begin with ambient lighting, such as ceiling fixtures, to provide an overall glow to the room. They give you control over the brightness and help transition the office from work mode to relaxation if it's a multi-purpose space. Finally, think about the design of your lighting fixtures. Pendant lights can serve as a statement piece, while minimalist LED strips provide modern and efficient options. Now, let's discuss zoning. If your home office doubles as a guest room or shares space with another function, zoning is your best friend. Use rugs, shelving units, or even different wall colors to visually separate your office area from the rest of the room. This helps create a psychological distinction between work and leisure, making it easier to switch gears when you need to. A dream home office isn't just about work. It should also be a space that inspires you. Personal touches like framed photos, artwork, or plants can make your office feel uniquely yours. Speaking of plants, they're not just decorative. They can improve air quality and boost your mood. Low-maintenance options like succulents, snake plants, or peace lilies are great for beginners. Place them where they can thrive, whether that's near a window or under indirect light. Technology is another area where you can make some smart design choices. A tangle of wires isn't exactly inspiring, right? Invest in cable management solutions like clips, sleeves, or under-desk trays to keep things tidy. Wireless devices can also help minimize clutter, And don't forget about power outlets. If your desk isn't near one, a sleek power strip or an extension cord with USB ports can save you a lot of hassle. Let's talk acoustics. If you're frequently on calls or just need to concentrate, managing noise is crucial. A plush rug, heavy curtains, or even acoustic panels can help reduce echo and absorb sound. Noise-cancelling headphones are another excellent investment. And if you're designing for a shared space, a folding screen can provide visual and acoustic separation when you need it. One of the most exciting parts of designing a home office is choosing a theme or style. Whether you're drawn to minimalist, industrial, bohemian, or traditional designs, consistency is key. Stick to a cohesive color palette and select furniture and decor that align with your chosen style. For example, a Scandinavian-inspired office might feature light wood finishes, simple lines, and plenty of white and grey tones. On the other hand, a more eclectic space could incorporate vintage pieces, bold colors, and layered textures. If you love a classic and sophisticated look, consider a traditional theme. This might include dark wooden furniture, leather chairs, and rich, warm colors like burgundy or deep green. Add touches like brass desk accessories or a vintage-inspired lamp for extra character. For those who lean toward modernity, a sleek and minimalist theme with monochromatic tones and clean lines can create a calm and uncluttered vibe. You could also try an industrial style, featuring exposed brick walls, metal furniture, and Edison bulb lighting. For creatives, a bohemian office might be the perfect fit. Think layered rugs, vibrant textiles, and plenty of greenery. Add in a gallery wall of eclectic art or photographs to inspire your imagination. If you're looking for a serene and earthy feel, a Japandi theme, a mix of Japanese and Scandinavian styles, might be ideal. This style focuses on neutral tones, natural materials, and a less is more approach to decor. If you're a fan of glamour and elegance, a Hollywood Regency-inspired office might be your dream. Think bold colors like emerald green or deep navy, paired with gold accents, velvet chairs, and dramatic lighting. Add a bar cart, repurposed as a stylish storage solution for office supplies. Or go for a coastal theme, bringing in soft blues, whites, and sandy tones, with light wood furniture and breezy flowing curtains. For a rustic chic vibe, embrace distressed woods, woven textures, and earthy tones. A barn door could serve as a stylish entrance to your office, and a vintage ladder could be repurposed as shelving. If high-tech is more your style, consider a futuristic theme with sleek black and silver tones, LED lighting, and smart technology integrated into every aspect of the space. Now, let's imagine a quick case study. Picture this: a small studio apartment with no extra room for an office. The solution? A multifunctional wall-mounted desk that folds away when not in use. Pair it with a comfortable stackable chair that can be tucked out of sight. Add a pegboard above the desk to keep essentials organized, and use decorative boxes to hide paperwork. A single statement plant in the corner and a bold piece of wall art complete the look without overwhelming the space. For those who have larger spaces to work with, let's explore another case study. Imagine you've turned a spare room into a home office. To maximize the space, position your desk so it faces the window for optimal natural light. On the opposite wall, add built-in shelving for storage and display. This can be a mix of closed cabinets for less visually appealing items and open shelves for decor and books. Add a comfortable reading chair in the corner with a small side table for when you need to step away from the desk. Incorporate a large area rug to anchor the room and bring in warmth. Use layered lighting with a ceiling fixture, a floor lamp by the reading chair, and a task lamp on the desk to create a dynamic and versatile environment. Another element to consider is sustainability. With so many eco-friendly options available, creating a sustainable home office is easier than ever. Choose furniture made from reclaimed or responsibly sourced materials. Opt for energy-efficient lighting, and consider using second-hand or vintage items to give your space character while reducing waste. It's also important to think about how the materials in your home office space can add to the overall feel. Materials play a huge role in setting the tone, especially when it comes to privacy. When designing for privacy, consider using soft materials that reduce noise, such as thick curtains, upholstered furniture, or even acoustic panels. These materials will not only absorb sound, but also make your office feel more comfortable and secluded.